Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Queen Elizabeth is here with another very exciting and amazing project that you can see the C.X, the predict, the trade, and the earning project, which you can see a new generation decentralization prediction trading platform. Odds fluctuated in the real time with the market orders sure to unlock the extra rebate opportunities, letting double your returns. Newcomer benefits register with your email immediately. Receive 10 C's token for you guys. So enter your email and you just simply continue to it. So you just simply put the new ID and you can see that they have their online trading centers. You can check this out. They have the amazing trading options and you can see the results and you can check this out, their outcomes. You can see, guys, there are a lot of things to see and a lot of things to do. You can see, and also they have the expert false silent CX steps in which is in called the opening, which you can see that experts are either silent or just guessing what will make market be like in the 2025. At this time, the prediction market CX is giving judgment backed by real money. So looking back in the 2024 US election when polls showed at the right race, so you can check this out. And the core logic, the real money figure out the truth. And also, guys, you can see that they have the redefining the trades with what's next, a Web3 event driving financial ecosystem powered by the AI Decentive Launch D app. You can read the white paper and you can guess this out. And also the C.X is a leading Web3 event derivative financial ecosystem that is aimed to redefine the global event trading market through the AI-powered information collection and multi-chain architecture. It empowers users to engage in the prediction and trading across the different fields such as finance, or climate, technology, and many things more. So you are more innovative forces in the Web3 era. See the integration, decentralizing governance, and creating the opportunity for the co-generative values between user and instruction. And also you can check this out: protocol, the holder participation, the staking, dividing finance, the uses, the trade, the commissions, and also the governance. You can see that the airdrops, the fee offsets, buyback burn, and also the who's playing on the CX. The structure is fascinating. 98% are the retail traders, the gamblers, the bet based on the feeling and emotion. They are most likely venting their opinion, but they are providing market liquidity. And 2% are professional player. They are the market correctors. As soon as they spot the odd deviating for the true probability, and they quickly jump into the market, a profit through an arbitrage. And also you can check this today's data, the project operation report. You can see the total trade, you can see the trading volume, the average transaction value, and the new users and the new agents, and also the trading volume. You can check this right now. Why you choose the CX? Because the witness unique advantages and experience seamless trading. So that's how why you can do this: dividing diverse events, decentralized systems, AI data support, high liquidity, low cost trading set, guys. And also they have the optimized fee solutions, the technical operation, like they have the fund security, the smart contracts, the pricing mechanism, the AMM. It uses automated market maker, the mechanism. This is like a vending machine. It price adjusts automatically based on the buying and selling, supply and the demand. There is no human manipulated. And also they have the extremely high cost. They have the core of anti-manipulation. They have the market depth. It's value to ordinary people, because don't treat like it as a Samuel. 90% of the people will lose money in the long run. So treat it like a dashboard. It is a miracle worker for the filtering noise when the public opinion is all over the place. Quick look at the CX odds telling what the smart money is positioning for. The essence, you can check this, guys. This mechanism should be used in the most areas in the future, like corporate decision making, scientific forecasting, and also they remind us in this age of information overloaded. The scariest thing is an opinion people are willing to pay a price for. And also you can check their partners. They have great partners, like you can see the LPO, the BitGat, the Pop Socials, and the guys, many more, the Pop Socials and many things more. They have a lot of great partners with their back, guys. And also you can see that they have the white paper. You can go and check this white paper and you can go through every small and every detailed introduction about this amazing platform. So you can check this out, this ecosystem, their mission, their vision. You can check this out. They have the mission and vision, like they have to create a fair, transparent and decentralized Web3 event trading ecosystem with core products. And also you can see the token, the role of CES, the prediction platform, value realizations, DO, governance, the holding coins and the receiving dividends, and many things more. They have the everything about to do. You can check this out: contract overview, diamond app, the diamond facts, the data storage, the safety designs, that content development, and also the execution summary. Guys, you have to see that the Twitter, you can follow them on the Twitter. By following them on the Twitter, you can get updation for the further upcoming amazing video notification. So you can get updation for this amazing platform. So you can see that they have a great opportunity for you guys and a very massive benefit for you guys. So you have to go through their Telegram and the Twitter. So you don't forget to follow them on the Twitter and the Telegram. By following them on the Twitter and Telegram, you can get updation for the further upcoming amazing video notifications. And also they have the tools for the income generations and the ease of use, ensure the audience. This is, guys, all about this amazing platform C.X. You can go and get benefit from it, and don't forget to share with your friends and family so that they get also benefit from it.